Okay, so here's this mouse. When we place it, we put a little nickel piece underneath. That little piece is super important. It keeps the solder paste from floating up. Now, when we place it, you might notice it looks a bit tilted before going into the oven. That's totally fine, don't worry about it. If we didn't have this nickel piece, air bubbles could form in the solder paste, which would make the component float and the placement wouldn't look clean at all. Now, after it goes through the reflow oven, check it out, the component is perfectly flat. No bubbles underneath, nothing bulging up, everything sits nicely and looks clean.